This here is from Business Insurance. Appeals court upholds dismissal of Amber Heard's counterclaims against insurer. By the way, it's pretty new, November 25th, 2024. Basically, it looks like her case is gone. She's not getting nothing from any insurance company. Before I start, shout out to Caroline. Thank you so much for that little super chat in the chats. It's much appreciated. And to Sabrinkle Dinkle, who's always donating. Thank you so much. You make a difference. Let's see what we got. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals on Monday agreed that a federal judge in Los Angeles correctly dismissed actress Amber Heard's counterclaims for breach of contract and in bad faith against an insurance company that partially paid for her defense for a defamation lawsuit filed by her ex-husband, you-know-who, Johnny Depp, who won. Let's just keep saying it, why not? The three-judge panel on the New York Marine and General Insurance Company versus Amber Heard agreed the insurer did not breach its defense obligations by failing to appoint independent counsel for Ms. Heard after she had already retained Fairfax, Virginia-based law firm Cameron McVeigh PLLC to represent her. So it looks like, once again, you-know-who lost in court. The appeals court also agreed that no conflict of interest existed between the insurer and Ms. Heard, even though New York Marine said in its reservation of rights letter that it would not provide coverage if her conduct was willful and intentional. I hope the Amber fans are still reading this now. The panel explained that the attorneys from Cameron McVeigh were subject to Virginia's rules of ethics, not California's. And they give some basic facts about Johnny suing Amber. We know that, but I guess I got to include it just for those people who don't. New York Marine's policy provided up to $1 million in coverage for lawsuits, including those for defamation. The insurer did not object to the appointment of the law firm, but Ms. Heard later retained a different law firm whose costs were covered by Travelers, court records show. New York Marine paid $600,000 in defense costs to Travelers. A defense judgment was entered against Ms. Heard in the defamation trial, and the case later settled. And then they say that New York Marine sued Heard, and Ms. Heard filed counterclaims, which were dismissed by Senior Judge George W. Wu of the District of California. The judge then dismissed New York Marine's suit as moot. Ms. Heard appealed. Representatives for the parties did not respond to requests for comment. Alright, so basically it looks like this is still playing out in the news legally. Either way, it looks like it's safe to say she is not winning anything from any of this. So anyway, looks like nothing's gonna come of this. What was that song? Sorry Not Sorry or something? One of her favorites? I guess that's how we feel now. Sorry not sorry. Anyway, that's the news. Real quick, if you want to donate to the channel, there's like a little thanks button there in the comments section. That's what Sabrina used and Caroline used. Thank you so much. Alright, that's it. We're done here for now. If you're not subscribed, consider it. If you don't, I'll be sad, but I'll get over it. See you next time.